Hello everyone, hope you're all doing swell. Today we're going to talk a bit about the levels of organization within our world. All things on Earth, living and non-living, can be organized into these categories. They are helpful when talking about specific interactions, since depending on what level you're talking about, things can interact differently. There are 6 levels of organization. The first one is organism, then there's population, community, ecosystem, biome, and biosphere. The first level of organization is the organism or individual species level. This refers to any single living thing or organism. Organisms are only from one group and are generally only can breed with individuals of the same species. Anything that is living is an organism, from bacteria to a tree, an elephant, a human, or in the case of our drawing here, this little fishy will be representing the organism level. Next up, we got population. A population is a group of individuals from the same group or species. So, this could be a murder of crows, a caravan of camels, a swarm of bees, a parliament of owls, or in the case of the drawing, a school of fish. A population is a group in the same area that lives near one another and likely interacts often. Now, next up we got community. A community is all of the populations in a specific area at a given time. This includes all living species in the area. Our drawing here includes seaweed, a school of fish, a crab, a shark, snail, any microorganisms, and algae that could be living in the water or the dirt. This community could change if any of the organisms or the populations leave, die, or new ones come into the area. Now next we got the ecosystem. So this will be the level we focus on the most in our unit. The ecosystem includes everything in a given area and time, not just the living things. Everything that is abiotic or biotic in the area is included in the ecosystem. In our drawing, that includes the water and the temperature of the water, dirt, sand, oxygen, chemicals in the water, as well as all the living things that we talked about before in the community level. Now the level above ecosystems. The level above ecosystems is the biome. Oh, let's make sure we can get it there. So is the biome. Biomes include all ecosystems in a greater area that have similarities with one another. So if you're looking at a lake in Manitoba, such as Falcon Lake, you could include all other similar lakes within their biomes, such as West Hawk Lake. Different ecosystems, but similar enough to be within the same biome. However, you'll likely couldn't compare these lakes to something like Lake Atitlan in Guatemala, as they would have very different abiotic and biotic conditions. Finally, we have the biosphere. The biosphere. The last level of organization. The biosphere contains the sum of all biomes on Earth. Everything in the world alive, dead, or decaying is included within the biosphere. This includes human constructs such as buildings, the atmosphere, the sun's rays and radiation, and all the dirt, water, and living things that we have here on Earth. Yeah, so that is all. That is the 6 levels of organization, and thank you.